In this tutorial, we will be creating a map of the United States using Python. In this map, we will color code each state. The color of the state corresponds to the state population born in Europe and not the United States. If you haven't seen the first video in this series, please follow the link in the description. We will take the code we wrote in the last video. However, we will be using different census data. Go to the link on the screen, which will be provided in the description. It contains a list of 2015 census data tables. As you can see, this web page contains a list of various tables of census data from the year 2015. As mentioned in the previous video, each census data table has an identifier. For this tutorial, we are interested in the table B05006_002E. This table contains state-level data on the population born in Europe and not the United States. We will now modify our program from the last video. We will only need to change the table identifier to plot the new data. If you do not recognize this code, please refer back to the previous video. We will now run the program. We expect the plot to be different from the last video since we are plotting different data. Here is the plot. Hover over each state to see the number of residents born in Europe and not the US. Lighter colors indicate a larger Europe-born population, and darker colors indicate a smaller Europe-born population. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and remember to like and subscribe.